Hi, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to draw the letter G.
The letter G. What's G for?
Green, grass, ghost, and galaxy.
Oh my gosh, and we're going to put a galaxy on this piece of paper?
Yeah.
Holy moly, we're going to see how we're doing that. All right, y'all get ready. Make sure you get your paper.
And markers.
Your marker and your color markers. And we're going to have some fun. Make sure to follow the video. Ready?
Yep.
All right, friends. So now that we have our papers and our markers and we know what we're going to draw, first, we're going to take our marker. And we're going to basically draw a line from here. And we're going to loop it around like that. All the way like a C. But then right here, we're going to cut it. Like that. It's a giant G. Right? That's the next alphabet letter. Then right here, we're going to come in like that. And this one here, we're going to cut it down. And then we're going to go in like that. And then we're going to loop it back around to the other side, just like that. Now we have the letter
G.
Exactly. But then we don't want a boring letter G.
We wanted to make it 3D.
3D, you are correct. So we're going to go drop this line. We're going to drop this line. You see that? Okay. And then we're going to drop this line here. And then that one. And then we're going to connect this line with this line. All right. And then we're going to kind of follow this line pattern. We're going to follow that line just like that. And we're going to disappear right there. There you go. And then we're going to cut it right here. And then we're going to go straight in like that. All right. Now, to make it even more fun, from right here, we're going to go out like that. And then we're going to come out like that. And then we're going to hide it back over here because that's what a 3D G would look like. There you go. There you go. And then go in. Damn, now we got a 3D G. Now, because...
Now we need to make the green.
The green. So we're going to actually make this G green because G
is for green.
Green, correct. So now what we're going to do is right here, we're going to write the word green because our G is going to be green. Now, grass is also green. So what we're going to do is right here at the bottom, we're going to draw grass. You could draw spiky grass like that. But then you could also draw little spikes of grass coming out like that. That way you know that this is grass. Look at that. Oh, it's awesome. Okay, there's many ways of doing grass. Like Camila did, like this one. You could do your own version of grass. But the coolest thing is the galaxy. So the way we want to do a galaxy is one, we're going to do a swirl like this. And you want to do another swirl. And then, okay, like kind of like a snail. Keep it a little far away. That way you don't get too close. All right. And then make it go. Now from here, real close, we're going to do another line. Just like that. And then if it goes under the G, it's okay. You see that? It can go under the G too. Because that way it looks more 3D. Or out of the paper. There you go. Go and there you go. Now, right here, we're going to draw basically like a circle. And these are planets from far, far away. Okay, just like that. Okay, you could draw a couple here, a couple there, right?
We can draw some stars.
Yeah, we'll do some stars. So you could do a star right here like this. You see that?
I'm going to draw some little ones.
Yeah, you could do little ones. See? That's the best way to draw a little star. So the best way to do it is you go up, up, and then go to the left, to the right, and then go down. And then now you have a star. Look at that. That's awesome. We'll do another one here. Okay, just like that.
Look at my Milky Way galaxy.
Yep. Don't be scared.
Cool.
There you go. Okay, now we're going to leave it like that for now. So what is this?
Galaxy.
This is a galaxy. So we're going to write the word galaxy right here at the bottom. That's G-A-L-A-X-Y. And then we need to write grass right here. Because, no, yeah, there you go, grass. So we're going to write grass, G-R-A-S-S. But then, now we need to do our little ghost. because
I'm gonna make my ghost very, very happy.
Very happy. Okay, now the way you make a ghost, the fastest way to make a ghost is like this. You go from the bottom, you kind of loop that up, and then come down, and then you come down again. And then you could do a wavy little bottom like he's wearing a blankie, right? And then now, you could do the little eyes. See that? Little circles, and then you leave a little white dot. That way it looks like he's glaring. All right?
I'm going to draw like 2 circles.
And then I'm going to make a big smile because this is a happy ghost. He's happy to see us draw him. There you go. And then I'm going to do the inside. All right. Very nice. What do you think? Is it cool? Now, oh wait, we need to write ghost on there because this is a ghost. How do you spell ghost? G-H-O-S-T.
And I'm going to get us some eyelashes.
Oh, you're going to make eyelashes? Okay, I'll do mine the same way. There you go. You don't have to do eyelashes if you don't want. So, now, we're going to start coloring it. So, the first thing we're going to do, to make this a very cute little ghost, we're going to actually draw a little pink circle here and another little pink circle here. Okay? Right on the smile.
Aww.
And then what we want to do is, since this is a ghost and it's supposed to be white because it's wearing like a blankie, we want to make sure that just outline in purple. That way it's really nice. Now take your time. You don't have to do it fast. No one's in a hurry here, okay? It's a traditional ghost.
I'm doing it with mine.
There you go. Look at that. Yay! It's awesome. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Alrighty. And then since ghosts don't have any shadows, we don't have to make the shadow. So now we're going to do the green for the grass. But for the grass, I'm going to use color 46. Okay?
I'm going to use color this.
What is that one? Oh, that light one? Okay. So we're going to do the grass. Now we got to come in and we got to color in the grass. Look at all the grass. So the ghost is running around on top of the grass. Whoa, check it out. All right, so we got our cool little ghost. Now we have our grass. Oh, wait. You know what I forgot? I forgot to do the little tongue. So we got to do the tongue on our ghost. There you go. Now I'm going to use the dark color green, 43. This is my dark color. I'm going to use it for my shadowing, for my 3D layer. Okay?
On the 3DG.
On the 3DG. Now I want to make sure that you could see the 3DG. So we want to use this layer, the dark layer, for our 3DG. There you go. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. It's awesome. Okay. There you go. Now,
I'm going to do it all green on this color.
Do it? Okay, do it, baby. You can do it any color you want. All right, so I'm going to use this as my main color. And because I want it to look different, I'm going to use this other green right here. It's a Sharpie green. And I'm going to create little lines like this all over it. That way it looks different, okay?
And look, and I'm going to leave a little square, and I'm going to use the number 46 for it.
There you go. And then I'm just going to create lines like that. That way it has a cool design. Okay?
I'm just going to leave a little square, and I'm going to color in 46, you see?
All right.
Look at it. Look at it right there.
All right. Remember, you can do anything you want with yours. You don't have to do it like we have to, okay? Once you have the outline.
I'm going to do some squares.
Yeah, once you have the outline, you can color it however you want. It does not matter. It is yours. Look at that.
It doesn't have to look the same.
Yeah, it doesn't have to look the same. All right. Now we have a green letter G. We have a green grass. We have the ghost. And now we have the galaxy. But for the galaxy, so it doesn't look so dark. Yeah, you could do it like in a purple and a dark blue. I'm going to do mine in purple. That way it looks pretty sweet. Okay, now we want to color in different color, dark color, light color. You can do any color you want. Remember, it doesn't have to be like ours. You can do anything that you want. As long as you color it in and you have fun doing it. I'm not going to color in my stars yet because I want to do the stars maybe like in the yellow so they'll look like they're glowing. What color are you going to do your stars, little one?
I'm going to do it in purple.
And purple? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. And this is the galaxy. Look. Oh, it's coming together really nicely. What do you think?
It's pretty cool.
All right. I'm going to take this right here.
I'm going to make a blue one.
A blue one?
Yeah, for that.
Okay, very nice. Yeah, you can do any color you want. It doesn't have to be the way we're making it. You want to make your galaxy in black with white dots? You can. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's pretty sweet. What do you think?
Pretty cool. I love it.
All right. And then we're going to do this one here, also the same way, the inside. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Is it looking good?
Yep.
Alrighty, so now we're almost there. So now we made our galaxy. Yay, look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Wait, what color are you making your star?
I'm making my star purple.
Purple? Alright, that's pretty good. Now, once I get my purple done, and you can do it however you want, remember.
Look, I'm doing my galaxy in 2 colors.
Yes, it's beautiful. That's what you want.
I've
You
got
want...
blue and the purple.
Well, the galaxy has a lot of colors. There's a lot of colors up there, okay? Now, once you get it like that, I'm going to take, let me see, I'm going to take this blue, just like that, and then I'm going to just swirl like that. Whoa, because that's a galaxy, okay? See that? All right, now the actual galaxy, I want to make it in this color, okay?
I'm already done with my galaxy. All right, friends, we finished our letter G.
Here it is, the letter G. And the letter G's for?
Galaxy, ghost, green, and grass.
Oh my gosh, and it's beautiful. So now we got the letter G. So if you go back in our channel, you can also see where we have the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, and G now. So we're going to keep going, so make sure to subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
So you don't miss another video, okay? And y'all be good out there and have fun drawing these drawings, right?
Yep.
All right, see y'all later.
Bye-bye.